Welcome to your new beach condo. I'm Nancy Dupre from Vista Sotheby's International Realty, and today I'm going to show you a stunning condo that's on the top floor with sweeping ocean views. This is a very unique opportunity because you have two condos in one. The owners had combined two top floor units on the corner, both with ocean views, and combined it into this beautiful, oversized luxury property. This luxury condo has over 2,000 square feet of living space, and all of it is bathed in beautiful sunlight and gorgeous views.